Boo! Scary!
Today let's see present perfect tense and how we can use it in our day-to-day communication. Okay, present perfect in active voice. You know active voice means katru karaka. When you mention a doer of the action at the beginning, we call it active voice. Katru karaka ක්‍රියාව කරන පුද්ගලයා මුල ඉන්න වාක්‍යය. Okay, now this is the word order. In English language, we know present perfect and its word order. Subject plus have, has plus verb. This is the main verb. These are helping verbs. The form of the main verb is past participle. For example, see, saw, seen. Seen is the past participle form of see. See ගැන අපි දකිනවා කියන එක. Okay, now let's have another example. Hold, held, held. They are irregular verbs. Hold is the present form, held is the past form, again held is the past participle form. Okay, visit. Visit is a regular verb. When you want to make it past participle, you usually add ed at the end of the verb. Visited. Visited. Climb. C-L-I-M-B. Climb. Climbed. ed. Okay, they are regular verbs. So now, usually we express life experiences using present perfect tense. That is very important because you know how to use it practically and with a standard. I mean, when you communicate in English language, you should understand that you are expressing one of your life experiences. So to do that, you should select present perfect tense. For example, I have visited Japan. මම ජපානයේ නවරඹලා තියෙනවා. I have climbed සීගිරිය. මම සීගිරිය කන්ද නැගලා තියෙනවා. අන්න ඒ වගේ දේවල්. I have eaten 10 hoppers at once. ඒ කියන්නේ එකපාර මම ආප 10ක් කාලා කියලා. අන්න life experiences. තේරෙනව නේද? ඒතර අපිට කියන්න පුළුවන් I have seen a leopard in Yala. මම යාල leopard කෙනෙක් දිවියෙක්ව දැකලා තියෙනවා. අන්න I have seen a leopard in Yala. ඒවා අපේ ජීවිතයේ අත්දැකීම. ඒ කියන්නේ life experiences. අන්න life experience එකක් ප්‍රකාශ කරන්න අපි ගමු present perfect. එතකොට මේකට ඉංග්‍රීසි වලට උනන්දු අයට මේ කියන එක හොඳට පැහැදිලි වුණා. ඕගොල්ලන්ගේ life experience එකක් අපිට comments ඇරියට එවන්න. Okay, thank you.